So now we are in lecture 1 for logic gate, and today we will discuss its types and the diagrams for it. And I will start from the his classification. If we see, then we can classify it in three classes: basic, then we have universal, then we have exclusive. Now the basic gates have three examples, right? Not, or, and. Okay, and universal are NAND and NOT, and exclusive are XOR and XNOR. Now basic gates are like the most reduced form of the logic gates, and universal are those gates which can be converted to the all basic gates. So NAND can be we can make a circuit using NAND and we can get NOT or AND. Similarly for NOR, so that's why it's called universal gate. And basic gate, these are the, I think, the lowest version for the logic gate. Okay, now if we look first the OR gate. Okay, now OR gate is a case where I think if you look the logic diagram, you can understand properly. It's, you can give n input, but minimum you have to give 2 input. Minimum, maximum, whatever you want. Now but it will always provide one output. Okay, now if we make a diagram for two input diagram, then the logic diagram will be like that: A and B, and this is the output Y. Now Y will be A plus B. Okay, understandable. Now if we make the truth table, then input are 2 A, B, and output Y. Now 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Now it's 0. So now Y output will be A plus B. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, and 1 plus 1, according to the binary addition, you know, it's 1. Okay, fine. Now if we implement it in circuit diagram, that how it really work, then there are two inputs. Now these two inputs will exist, I think it will exist parallelly. Okay, like this is the, I think I am drawing it here. Okay, this is one switch and this is one switch. Now this is the light. Okay, and this is the one is on, it's mean one is off and other one is on, still it will be on because the current will be provided from here. Similarly, if it is on but it is off, still the current will be provided from here. Okay, and when both are on, then no problem, the output will be on. Okay, so it is the basic gate or the done.